Meaning of fundamentalist.
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 Fundamentalist. The term fundamentalist typically refers to a person who adheres strictly to a set of religious or ideological beliefs and principles. They often insist on a literal interpretation of their sacred texts and view the world through an uncompromising, black and white lens. This worldview can lead to intolerance towards those who hold different beliefs or lifestyles. However, not all fundamentalists are militant or extremist in their actions. Some may simply hold strong convictions and values that guide their everyday decisions. Overall, fundamentalism is characterized by a rigid adherence to certain beliefs and practices.